Hello and warm welcome back once again on Piplu on Fire. Folks, we are introducing the new web gaming platform QCPlayroom.com. So, on this previous video, we have activated the account of QCPlayroom.com. There you can play too many games. We have talked about 1000-mile car driving game, which will have to use card to drive the car with your driving skills, and also have to test your luck too. So now today we will directly show you how to play this game and how to create this game and how to enjoy with your friends. So today one of my friends are waiting for me to enjoy with me and I will show you details. Let's go on Quentin's Playroom.
Welcome to Connect. Welcome to the Playroom, version 2025.10.24. 160 players are connected at the command. Mustafa 2 has left the table. Create a new table button.
So guys, now I will double tap create a new table button. Then I will
space has left the table, a free table. Choose a game :
So then after clicking create a new table, and now I have to choose a game. I will choose 1000 miles. So yes, 1000 mile. Let's see.
1000 miles button.
So I will create I will double tap here.
Create a new table. Omit 420. Praz has left the table of Chat text box.
So they are speaking always because there is
Mustafa 2 accessible.
There is a game which is always active because it's a gaming platform here. 45 game, and now 160 players are active still. So folks, I have already created a table. Now I have to set the gaming option. So how I can play, how I want to play this game, how I want to play. So let's see. I will show you the details.
Welcome to G2O screen reader. Leon, start the game button.
Start the game button.
33 has just created a set game options button. Play in teams, uncheck tick box. Accessibility button.
So I have tapped create set game option. Now I have to set all
a new
options.
Table of 99. Use supplement score rounds to play in teams, uncheck tick box.
If I want to play team, I have to check box, and I will not play team. I will play single. So I will not check box it.
Accumulation of problems.
Accumulation of problem. I will check this button.
Reshuffle discard pile.
I will reshuffle. I will take this button.
Use supplementary cards.
I will not check this button, but if you want, you can check this button. It's no problem.
Score limit : 5000 points button. 5000.
Guys, if you want, you can also play 50,000 points. If you want, you can also use your desire how many points you play. So I will play only 2000 points. So I will edit this.
5 delete. Delete.
Alright, deleted. Now I will type 2000.
2
0
0
0
0 0.
Alright, 2000. Now confirm.
OK button.
OK button. I will tap, double tap OK button.
And score limit : 2000 points button.
Okay, so score limit.
Module 4 has just created a rounds to play : 0 0.
So score limit 2000 complete. Now I have to select round. I will play only one round for demo for the tutorial. So I will tab. I will press 1 here.
1.
Now I have to confirm.
OK button.
OK button. So I will double tap OK button.
Select rounds to confirm button.
Confirm button.
Game.
So guys, now I am waiting for Piplu Banik, who will play with me in one, and also I can also play with robot.
Add a bot button.
Add a bot button. If you click here, you will add a bot.
Start click remove a bot button.
And if you click remove a bot, bot will
Jose
remove.
has just created a new add a bot button. Lucky Luke has joined the table.
Lucky Luke is a bot who has joined the
Pendulum
table.
has just created. Remove a bot button. Lucky Luke has left the table.
Left the table, okay? So,
Set game. Repeat activated rules button.
tap here.
Individual game. Reshuffle discard pile. Accumulation of problems. The victory is fixed at 2,000 points.
So, I have set a game option which is now showing here. If you click,
Simpson has joined the Piplu and Sam at point 3 at a table of 1-0. Remove a bot and change table. Invite a player button.
if I click
Tiger 1,
invite
2, 3
a
has left
player,
the table of Farkle. Mustafa Mohammed 310 has left. Choose the person to Lovely Mustafa Abosom Ab Accept Start over Ab Alan over 8 Bukanov absent Kyo 22 out Jasu Ab Ju Kyo absent out of zone Mariposa 91 out of zone over Ab out of Sony Ab Spark Second Tengulum over Soda Sali Sept Samagan Busy Mustafa Raratu Rashek absent over Vermont Bure available Ocean Ostis Man File out of Parisa Povesi Pascal Pedigree Pedro Pendulum Pevido Busy Scopa overpass the Ferencina Percy Permana Permata Picasso Picoax over out of Paulo Husanet Pixel 8A Case Husanet Pixel 8A absent Mesa Libra SR web button Radio Dash Buffalo apt over Pixel 8A Ragozer absent Raffles Raratu Rashek Rasta Godfire over Radio Pyrokin Parada 7 Ibrahim Picasso Dash Pablo absent over Pico Percy Permata Picasso Dash Pablo over Picasso Peperencina Pepevido Busy Scope over Pagadet Pascal Busy over Povesi Cyclops has Natasha Nebula Drift available main room and button Lua Ibrahimos out cancel button Arnold 29 game.
if I click anybody's name, it will invite it.
Has left a table of ones. Domingo 1999 Abu.Eltony has just created a new table of Dom.
Alright, someone joined this table. I will start the game. So guys, I clicked start game button and now it activated.
Round. Welcome to Jishuo screen reader.
Carefully listen.
Round #1. Arnold 29 shuffles the cards and deals 6 to each player.
So my player is Arnold 29. So I am
Draw a card button.
draw a card button. Click here.
Draw a card button. Draw a card button. Draw a card button. Red light button.
If I click red light, it will not work because no one started his game.
Green light button.
If I click green light,
Piplu has joined the
car
table.
will start.
Green light button.
There are two green light.
75 miles button.
If I click 75 mile, I will go 75 mile. But I have to start the car with a green light.
Speed. Maybe Duck has joined the extra tank button.
Extra tank. So
View your current state button. Who is playing button. Extra tank button.
extra tank. If I click here, no one will use out of gas against me. No one can use actually.
Flat button.
If I click flat, opponent car will be punctured. Guys, remember, if you have green light or any safeguard, you will press that. Or if someone not start car with a green light, do not need to attack because you have to save attacking card. When they start car, you will attack. So that is a strategy. You have to use your brain when you are playing. So if you play continuously with us, you will surely understand what's going on. If you play with your friends, you will be super pro gamer. So now I will play with Piplu. Piplu already joined, but I have to edit this game. Wait. I will remove a player.
Who is playing? View general game state button. Table menu. Stop the game. Invite a player button. Replace a player. Kick a player button.
I will kick a
Choose
player.
Maybe Duck button. Bugs Bunny has joined the table.
Oh.
Invite a player. Replace a make the table private button. Change table master. Add a player button. Repeat activated rules button. Out of zone. Alert a moderator button. Friends list button. Who is online? Spectator mode : view the tail game list of man. Leave this table button.
So guys, now I will click stop the game and then I will restart the game.
Out of zone. Stop the game button. Are you sure you want flat? Center has just created. Remove a button. Bugs Bunny has left the table. Start the game button.
Start the game button.
Center has left it. It's your turn.
It's my turn. So I have to click.
Draw a card button. You draw a
Yes, a new card here.
100 miles button.
100 miles.
Out of gas button. Green light button.
So I have a green light. I can start the car. If Piplu attack me, I will attack him. So let's see.
It's Piplu's turn.
I have started the game.
It's your turn.
Oh, stop the game with the red light. Piplu already stopped my car. So I will try to draw a card.
Button. Draw a card button.
If someone complete his turn, it will say it's your turn. Then you have to press draw a card button. So I will place.
You draw a card. 50 miles button. Out of gas button. Out of gas button.
There are 2 out of gas. So I can attack because maybe he will
Manglaga has joined the table.
He will get the extra tank card. That's my idea. So I will attack.
It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card.
So I have finished his gas. Now he have to wait for gas. Now he junk a card. I will also junk a card to understand you that what I'm doing.
Draw a card button.
Draw a card button.
Right of way button.
Oh yes! Finally I have got right of way, and now nobody will use red light against me. Nobody can use speed limit against me. So let's see.
It's your turn.
Woo! Yes! So now
200 miles button. You must draw a card first. Draw a card button. You draw a card. 200 miles till 50 miles button. Piplu draws a card.
200 miles!
It's your turn.
It's my turn.
Draw a card button. You draw a card. Fit 100 miles. It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card. It's Piplu's turn.
Oh, Piplu got a puncture-proof card. No one now punctured Piplu's car.
Piplu draws a card. It's
So-
your turn.
So finally Piplu got the gas card also and played it. So Piplu is now free. He can start the car and compete with me, but I will attack him if he start the car.
100 miles button. You must draw a card first.
Sorry.
Draw a card button. You draw a card. 100 It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card. It's your turn.
Now Piplu start the car, and now I will again attack him with out of gas because I have a out of gas attacking card.
Draw a card button. You draw a card. Out of gas button. It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card. It's your turn.
Oh, again he got a gas card. So I have failed.
Draw a card button. You draw a card. Red light button.
So I have a red light. If he start again with green light, I will attack with a red light.
Fit 100 miles button. It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card. It's your turn.
Okay, so now I will attack.
Draw a card button. You draw a red light button. It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card.
I have to stop him and I have to go. So that is the competition. Oh my god, my car has been punctured. But yes, Piplu already got the puncture proof card. So I will not have the option to attack him with flat card. He actually attacked me with a flat card. Now I will junk all cards. Now I am a sad girl. Now I am a sad girl. I have been attacked.
Notification from Facebook. Draw a card button. 50 miles button.
So I have to click double tap 50 mile.
Are you sure you want to junk that card?
Are you sure? Then I click
Yes button.
yes.
50 you junk it. It's Piplu's turn.
So you have to click yes. On that case, you will always choose 75 mile, 25 mile card to junk. 50 mile is important card. When you have someone use speed limit card against you, you will use 50 mile card. This is important card.
Piplu draws a card.
Piplu draws a card. Piplu is a snake.
Your turn.
Oh, snake has started the card.
Draw a card button. You draw a card. 25 miles button. Are you sure? 20. It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card.
So now,
It's your turn.
oh, 100 mile he gone.
Draw a card button. You draw a card. Spare 50 miles button. Spare dash tire button.
Guys, finally I have got spare dash tire. That means Piplu used flat card against me. Now I have to save myself by using spare tire. I am clicking here.
It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card. It's your turn.
Accident! So I have to search reparation card. Let's see.
Reparation button.
Oh, I have reparation card.
You must draw a card first. Draw a card button. You 100 reparation button. It's Piplu draws a card. It's your turn.
So if someone accident you, you have to play reparation card. But if you have driving S card, nobody will accident you and nobody can do it.
Draw a card button.
Guys, now I will press draw a card and I will go step by step miles.
You draw a card. 100 miles. It's Piplu's turn. Piplu draws a card. It's your turn.
Oh!
Draw a card button. 200 miles button. 50 miles button. Piplu draws a card. It's your turn. Draw a card button. You draw a card. 200 miles. It's Piplu's turn. You are now at 850 miles. It's your
So
turn.
in the upper, if you touch in the upper of screen on game, it will say you are now at blah 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 miles. That means if your total score will show here after every turn. And also if you click here at
View your current state button.
view your current state,
Lima 27:850 miles. Right of way.
Lima 27850 mile right of way. That means I have one immunity card or safe card which is right of way. Nobody can use red light speed limit against me. And now if I click here at
View general game state button.
general game, that means both score. I will click here.
Lima 27:850 miles. Right of way. Piplu 350 miles. Puncture dash proof. The deck contains 62 cards.
So we have to play 62 card and then it will reshuffle because I have clicked check reshuffle discard pile. Guys, now I will click here.
Draw a card button. Reparation button. Separate 50 miles button. It's Piplu's turn.
So I have 900
Draws a
miles
card.
now.
It's your turn. Draw a card button. You draw a card. 25 miles button. 75 miles button. It's Piplu's turn. You are now at 9. Piplu plays a X. It's draw a card button. Draw a card button.
Piplu got two save card which is
Piplu draws a
panzer
card.
proof and extra tank. So I will not have the option to use flat card and out of gas.
Draw a card button. You draw a card. 75 miles button. Are you sure you want to jump that card?
No.
No button. 75. View your current state. Lima 27:975 miles. Right away.
So I need a 25 miles card.
25 miles button. The table is now open for new players.
So I'm the winner! So folks, that is the game, but you have to use your brain when you are playing. Which card you will play. Now Piplu is sad boy, he left the table. So thank you for watching.
Stop recording.